In this chapter, you are going to learn the following concepts: place value, face value, Indian place value chart, reading and writing a large number, writing a number in expanded form, solving word problems involving addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Place value. The value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in that number. For example, in 267, the digit 7 is in ones place. The digit 6 is in tens place. And the digit 2 is in hundreds place. While counting the places, we always count from the right side. Seven is in ones place, so the place value of 7 is 7 multiplied by 1, that is 7. 6 is in tens place, so the place value of 6 is 6 multiplied by 10, that is 60. 2 is in hundreds place, and the place value of 2 is 2 multiplied by 100, that is 200. Face value. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. For example, in 625, the face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 2 is 2. And the face value of 6 is 6. Indian place value chart. Let us have a look at the places of Indian place value chart. Starting from the right side, the first place is ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore. To read a large number without difficulty, the places are grouped into periods. Let us see the periods also. The first three places from the right side, ones, tens, and hundreds, are grouped into ones period. 1000 and 10,000 places are grouped into thousands period. 1 lakh and 10 lakh places are grouped into lakhs period. 1 crore and 10 crore places are grouped into crores period. The place value of a digit increases by 10 times as we move left on the place value chart. Let us see. 1 multiplied by 10, 10. 10 multiplied by 10, 100. 100 multiplied by 10, 1000. 1000 multiplied by 10, 10,000. 10,000 multiplied by 10, 1 lakh. 1 lakh multiplied by 10, 10 lakh. 10 lakh multiplied by 10, 1 crore. 1 crore multiplied by 10, 10 crore. Numerical facts from the Indian place value chart. 1 lakh equals 100,000. It can be written in the numerical form 1 followed by 5 zeros. 1 crore equals 100 lakhs. It can be written in the numerical form 1 followed by 7 zeros. Reading and writing a large number. To read large numbers without difficulty, places are grouped into periods. While writing numbers, we can leave a small space or put a comma between the periods. How to read the large numbers? The population of children from 0 to 5 years in India in 2011 is 158789287. This is quite a large number and it is difficult to read. Let us arrange the digits in the number 158789287 in Indian place value chart. Let us start from the right hand side. 7 is in ones place. 8 is in tens place. 2 is in hundreds place. 9 is in 1000s place. 8 is in 10,000 place. 7 is in 1 lakh place. 8 is in 10 lakh place. 5 is in 1 crore place. 1 is in 10 crore place. The digits in each period are read together. 15 crore, 87 lakh, 89,287. Writing a number in the expanded form. Let us write 1,56,345 in the expanded form. 1 is in 1 lakh's place. So its place value is 1 multiplied by 1 lakh. 5 is in 10,000's place. So its place value is 5 multiplied by 10,000. 6 is in 1000's place. So its place value is 6 multiplied by 1000. 3 is in hundreds place. So its place value is 3 multiplied by 100. 4 is in tens place. So its place value is 4 multiplied by 10. 5 is in ones place. So its place value is 5 multiplied by 1. That is 1 lakh plus 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5. In either way, you can write in the expanded form. West Bengal produced 14,47,260 metric tons of fish in 2007-2008. Andhra Pradesh produced 10,10,830 metric tons of fish in the same year. What was the total production of fish by both the states in that year? Fish produced by West Bengal 14,47,260 tons. Fish produced by Andhra Pradesh 10,10,830 tons. Let us arrange these two numbers in a column. Total means we have to add these two numbers. Let us add 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 3, 9, 2 plus 8, that is 10, regroup 10, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 0, 8, 4 plus 1, 5, 4 plus 0, 4, 1 plus 1, 2. So the total production of fish in both the states is 24,58,090 tons. Gujarat produced 7,21,910 tons of fish in 2007-2008. Maharashtra produced 5,56,450 tons of fish in the same year. How much more fish did Gujarat produce in that year? Fish produced by Gujarat 7,21,910. Fish produced by Maharashtra 5,56,450. Here how much more means we have to subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Here the larger number is 7,21,910. Below that write the smaller number. Arrange these two numbers in a column as shown here. Now let us subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. We cannot subtract 5 from 1 because 5 is more than 1. So we have to regroup. 9 becomes 8. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5, 6. 8 minus 4, 4. Here we cannot subtract 6 from 1. So we have to regroup once again. 2 becomes 1 and the 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 6, 5. In this column, we cannot subtract 5 from 1 because 5 is more than 1. So again you have to regroup. 7 becomes 6. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5, 6. 6 minus 5, 1. So Gujarat produced 1,65,460 tons of fish more than Maharashtra. A machine boat catches 6 tons of fish in one trip. How many kilograms of fish does the machine boat catch in 24 trips? 1 ton equals 1000 kg. Let us find out the solution. Fish a machine boat catches in one trip 6 tons. Fish the machine boat catches in 24 trips. 24 multiplied by 6. Let us multiply 24 by 6. 6 fours are 24. Regroup. 6 2s are 12 plus 2, that is 14. We know that 1 ton equals 1000 kg. So 144 tons equals 144 multiplied by 1000. That is 1,44,000 kg. So the machine board catches 1,44,000 kilograms of fish in 24 trips. The speed of a long trail boat is 12 kilometers per hour. How long will it take to travel 60 kilometers? Let us find out the solution. Let us find out the solution. Speed, the distance traveled by vehicle in 1 hour, is called the speed of the vehicle. In this problem, the speed of the long tail boat is 12 kilometers per hour. That is, time taken by the long tail boat to travel 12 kilometers equals 1 hour. Time taken by the long tail boat to travel 60 kilometers is 60 divided by 12. Let us divide 60 by 12. Let us recall the 12th table. 12 fives are 60. We have to continue the table till we reach 60 as the product. Now 12 fives are 60. 60 minus 60, that is 0. So the long tail boat takes 5 hours to travel 60 kilometers. Bashir has 100 rupees. He spent 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. If the cost of 1 kg squid is 50 rupees, how many kilograms of squid did he buy? Amount Bashir has 100 rupees. Amount spent to buy squid 1/4 of 100 rupees. Here half means multiplication. That is 1 by 4 multiplied by 100. Now multiply the numerators. 1 multiplied by 100 divided by 4. 1 multiplied by 100 is 100 because any number when it is multiplied by 1 we get the same number. 100 by 4, that is 25 rupees. Cost of 1 kg squid 50 rupees. Quantity of squid he bought, that is 25 out of 50. 25 divided by 50. Here we have to simplify the fraction. Simplification means we have to divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Let us divide the numerator and denominator by the same number 25. 25 ones are 25 and 25 twos are 50. It equals 1 by 2 kg. So he bought 1 by 2 kg squid. Let us solve the B bit. If the cost of 1 kg prawns is 150 rupees, how many kilograms of prawns did he buy? Amount Bashir has 100 rupees. Amount spent to buy prawns 3 by 4 of 100 rupees. That is 3 by 4 multiplied by 100. Now multiply the numerators. 3 multiplied by 100 divided by 4. That equals 300 by 4. Divide 300 by 4. We get 75 rupees. Cost of 1 kg prawns is 150 rupees. Quantity of prawns he bought 75 out of 150. That is 75 divided by 150. Now divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number 75. 75 ones are 75 and 75 twos are 150. That is 1 by 2 kg. So he bought 1 by 2 kg prawns.